Humanitarian, I had the opportunity to talk about a little change how in El Salvador we have different points. This one is the first. How can see the change, the construction and evolution. Uh, Very important for the country because it's necessary for the economy. Here, when it starts, the terminal don't have uh, edifice, construction, and have more natures. And now, how very different because change the nature for the flower for the floor, and now you can see only the structures del mundo, and in the throne you can see edifices, uh, strip, avenue, and the delinquency is very changed or now is very dangerous. You can walk very relaxed because you can turn and see the people and take care for sometimes or the people get your wallet or your cell phone or your money. I remember my father talk sometimes he when go to a party he go out of the house or like 8 o'clock, but he returned for the 4 or 5 a.m. o'clock of the next day. And I say him why I don't come at the same time as you. He respond me is different the situation here in the country for the delinquency. And the technology how evolution. Uh, I remember in my house don't have phone. I can go out and using the public phone. And only in my grandfather and mother have a phone. And this is the first I remember when I have a 10 year. Then change for inalambric. It is the first I remember, and that's the second. And they have a revolution on the cell phone. And now actually you can get into necessary because evolution for the videollamada and actually the people have class for website. Here another evolution is that I remember I have a little this because my parents give me in my room. When I remember when I get change the channel, I can go get up on my bed and walk in to the TV and move the this control. So this one and have opportunity to change the channel. In this moment, don't I used the remote control. Now have a different evolution, have a plasma sport. Very interesting how evolution the people using a horse and a car. Then the cars evolution is doing actually is electronic cars. Here the people using the train. I remember the quick train. Sorry, I encontré the word is the bala. Uh, this is the using when the people can fast to move another place, and this using for the transportation. Transport the material or the something people sell in another place of the country. Thank you very much for your attention.